We're here today and we're going to take a few moments to talk about some of the options that we have when it comes to fencing at your home or business. Here at Property Revolution, we do a lot of different kinds of fencing, and part of the process of deciding what to go with is just kind of knowing what's available and what's out there. So the first type of fencing that most people are familiar with, that we install a lot of, is called chain link. And every type of fence, there's type, color, style, and height. So one of the conversations that we're going to have is what your goals are with your fence project, so that we can help decide how tall it should be. So like I said, the first one that we see a lot of is called chain link. Looks like this. It comes in several different heights. Most commonly it's either 4 or 6 foot tall, but sometimes it's 5 foot tall as well. And it comes in a couple of different colors. The most common is galvanized, which is what I'm holding a chain link gate here. This is just regular residential grade galvanized chain link. Or this can come in the color black, which is vinyl coated. So those are the two most common colors. On occasion we get asked about green and brown. We can usually track them down, but they're fairly expensive because they're not manufactured in very large quantities. But with the heights of your fence, one of the things you want to think about is what's your goal. If you're just trying to keep your kids contained in the backyard, a lot of times 4 foot is plenty and sufficient for that, unless you got a real climber out there. Some people, if they have pets or dogs specifically that they're trying to keep in the backyard, some dogs can be real jumpers, and 4 foot's not really quite enough to keep them in the backyard. So then some folks like to look at something a little bit taller.